I'm Hunter, and I work at Punch in downtown Champaign, and we're going to be showing you how to make a fun holiday old-fashioned today. We're going to use as the base, instead of a normal bourbon, Bad Sweater Holiday Spiced Whiskey by Savage & Cook. Pretty simple drinks. Way we do ours is a couple of house-made sugar cubes to start with. You don't need to do that. A perfectly good sugar packet, a regular sugar packet, is the right amount of sugar. Then we're going to do 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. That's the classic one with a paper label that you'll see all wrapped up in the store. It's very common. You can find it anywhere. And then if you are using sugar cubes, you're going to want to muddle that so that it breaks everything up. And that just lets the whiskey dissolve a little faster when it gets in there. And then from here, we do 2.5 ounces of Bad Sweater. Your standard old-fashioned is going to be a double, so it's perfect for those cold winter nights. And now we just want to stir it to help that sugar dissolve. There's going to be a little bit left. As the ice melts into it, it's going to slowly dissolve more of that sugar, and the drink will become a little bit sweeter, a little softer, and evolve as you're enjoying it. Now here at Punch, we like to use the big whiskey rocks, the cubes that you see. Nothing wrong with using your regular chip ice or out of the tray from your freezer. And then we're going to garnish this one with a nice juicy orange peel. And you'll notice if you take it and you squeeze it lengthwise, you'll see a lot of the essential oils in the peel express out, give a really nice aromatic to the drink, and you'll actually start smelling and enjoying that before you even touch your lips to the glass, and a cinnamon stick to finish it off. That is the holiday old-fashioned. At Punch, we're doing a couple of different things to make it easier for you to enjoy our cocktails in the warmth and comfort and safety of your home. First and foremost, we have a lovely holiday gift basket in case you need one for yourself or for somebody in your life there. This is going to come with 2 half bottles of wine, 2 of our to-go cocktails, already mixed, already bottled. There is no assembly required. You just add ice and start enjoying. Also in there is going to be some of our the sugar cubes that we use for our regular old-fashioned and that holiday old-fashioned, as well as some vanilla sugar cubes that we made in-house. Really fun way of putting just a little twist on anything from tea and coffee to cocktails or a Sazerac or something like that. And then also in here, a couple of the local businesses downtown that we just absolutely love. We've been working with them since before we opened. Walnut Street Tea Company, we get all our teas from. There's a fantastic green tea with all kinds of funky notes in there. You're going to get a little butterscotch. It's going to blow your mind. It's not going to be like your normal green tea. And then lastly is from Page Roasting, our proprietary blend. Comes from 3 different roasts, all mixed together expertly. It really makes an exquisite cup of coffee. And then lastly, there's a coupon in there for 1 Punch cocktail, which you can now get to go. You don't have to enjoy it outside if it's a little too cold for you. We have them available in quantities of 1, 2, or 4. 21 of our either classic or craft cocktails. We're still in the fall season right now, so they're going to be the fall cocktails. And the first day of winter, we will have a brand new set of winter flavored and spiced cocktails for you to enjoy and take home. And then lastly, we set up a nice little liquor store here at Punch with a whole bunch of really nice bottles of wine, fantastic bottles of whiskey. Some of them are collector's types. And you're going to get bigger bottles of the standards, the rum, the vodka, than you normally find at Binny's. And also our infusions, things that we do like our fire punch, the smoked vanilla bourbon that goes into our smoke cocktail, and the holiday spiced bourbon that we did ourselves and barrel aged are all for sale and available here at Punch for takeout.